Hello everyone. Today I'm making a natto omelette with fermented soybean. First, I'm going to cut naganegi, Japanese leek, into slice. This natto omelette is not something that many Japanese people cook at home. And when I first made it for my wife, and she never had it before. But I checked the internet. And, I saw over 1,000 restaurants in Japan serve this omelette. So I started making this. I saw this recipe on TV, and then I thought it was great. I love natto, so it must be good. So I started to cook this omelette time to time, and now my wife loves it, and my kids love it. But this is natto, so this may not be for everyone. First, I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. You might think that all the Japanese people love natto, but actually it is not true. Some part, especially southern part of Japan, people do not like natto. In Tokyo area or more north part of Japan, they tend to eat natto a lot. And it stinks, which I don't think so. But if you eat them for the first time, then I don't think you will like it. This is a tare, salty dashi, which comes with the natto package. I added as well. I just stir fry naganegi, the Japanese leek, with sesame oil. I am going to add some more saltiness using mentsuyu, which is soy sauce based dashi. Because the package came with dashi package that came with the natto does not provide enough saltiness to omelette, so I added a little bit. I mix it well. And natto is very sticky, but if you mixed it with the eggs like this, the stickiness will almost disappear. So if you might think that natto omelette is just a sticky omelette, but which is not. It's not going to be sticky. Now I'm gonna add it to naganegi mixture. For the rest, it's like making tamagoyaki. Just roll over. It's going to be very quick from here. And those of you who have ever tried natto and didn't like it, I hope that you try this natto omelette, because this natto omelette tastes like okonomiyaki, which I've made a video of making one. I'm going to pour tonkatsu sauce or chuno sauce over this omelette, and it will make this omelette taste like okonomiyaki. Yes, it's not exactly the same, but it's more easier than just eating natto. So I hope you try. Yeah, if it doesn't have really strong natto taste, so I think you like it. I hope you try. And this is very good with rice, white rice. And I make this for like breakfast. If I'm making a Japanese breakfast, and my kids will put them over the rice and eat them, and it's very good. Okay, it's almost done. Don't overcook the egg if you're using fresh eggs. And I think half-cooked eggs will go well with this natto omelette. Now this is done. I just pour sauce, chuno sauce or tonkatsu sauce over the natto omelette, and this is done. And for adult, I put the wagarashi, which is the oriental mustard, and this is done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. I usually make a video of making bento for my daughter, but she is on the summer vacation, so I decided to share this video with you. Thank you. Bye bye.